Welcome to the future of luxury. It starts with a diamond seed. A sliver of natural carbon. Placed inside a reactor. We inject carbon-rich gas. Mostly methane and hydrogen. Heating to extreme temperatures. Microwaves break the gases. Stripping atoms away. Carbon falls like rain. Building atom by atom. This takes weeks to complete.
Monitored 24 hours a day.
Pressure remains constant.
Finally, the growth stops.
Unveiling the new gems.
They look dark and rough.
But the structure is pure.
First, we sort the roughs.
Checking for internal clarity. Planning the cut digitally. To maximize the carat weight. Now, the cutting begins. Sawing through the hardest material.
Cooling is essential to prevent heat damage.
Split precisely in half.
Mounted on a dopstick.
Using another diamond to cut it.
Routing gives it the round shape.
Shaving off the excess carbon. Slowly becoming a round brilliant.
Cleaning off the metal and oil.
Now ready for facets.
The artisan marks the table.
Secured for fine polishing. The scaphe spins at high speed.
Applying the diamond paste. Each angle must be perfect.
creating the flat top surface. Transparency emerges instantly. Precision down to the micron. Precision down to the micron. Establishing the main structure.
The light begins to dance.
Switching to finer grit.
Adding the star facets.
The symmetry is taking shape.
Flipping to cut the bottom.
Avoiding damage to the tip.
These facets capture the light. Maximizing light return. Cleaning between stages.
The bottom is finished.
Releasing the finished gem.
One final chemical clean.
Removing all impurities. Drying it to a shine.
Now for quality control.
Checking for inclusions.
Grading the internal purity. Assessing the color grade.
Perfectly colorless. Grade D.
Measuring cut proportions.
AI verifies the cut. The certificate is created. Adding the final mark. Inscribing the report number.
Invisible to the naked eye. Now, the real test.
Fire and scintillation.
Dispersing the spectrum.
It catches every ray.
Physically identical.
Ready for the setting. Securing the gem.
A sustainable masterpiece. Created with technology. scalable for the future.
Ethically sourced.
Ready for the world.
From our lab to you.
A symbol of love.
Pure carbon crystal.
Day and night production.
Rearranged atoms. The ultimate alchemy.
Born from vapor.
Polished to perfection. Certified authentic.
Guaranteed quality.
Available in every shape. Even large sizes.
Fancy colors too.
Setting the standard. The future is bright. Luxury redefined.
Timeless beauty.
Innovation at its core. From dust to star. The process ends.
The journey is complete.